Have you ever wanted to bring the dark fantasy inspired characters in your head to life? Would you like to create scary villains or horrifying characters? Yes? Great, because in this course, I'm going to teach you how to do just that and breathe life into your characters. Hi, my name is Xiao, or Xiaofan Zhang art on all my social media platforms. I'm a concept artist and illustrator based in Toronto, Canada, and I specialize in dark, moody, atmospheric, and cinematic pieces with a heavy emphasis on narrative. And in case you're wondering why I'm wearing a hat and a mask in my own studio, it's because I wanted to stay partially anonymous online. And in this course, I'm going to teach you how to bring your dreams or nightmares to life. I know it's hard to create a memorable character with a unique personality and backstory. It's hard to leave those generic character archetypes behind. I know I struggled with it when I first started my art journey. And so I want to share with you some of my tips and tricks on how to break free of those character stereotypes. In this course, you'll learn how to create a unique backstory for your character, how to add meaningful details to increase interest and depth, how to render certain materials like metals and clothing, and finally, breathe life into your characters through outfits, props, and a look that is uniquely their own. You'll get a crash course on the fundamentals of perspective, composition, and color theory, and you'll get a full step-by-step guided program from design to full illustration. For this course, you will need a pressure-sensitive tablet and Adobe Photoshop. Before we begin, you will need to be familiar with the user interface on Adobe Photoshop and how to navigate it. You will also need to be familiar with human anatomy. I'd be thrilled to see you in my class on 21 Draw to help you create the character of your dreams or your nightmares. I'll see you there.